Tip number 18 is about knowing your weight and your waist measurement. We think if people are monitoring both of these things, then they'll be a little more aware of their health and when changes are occurring. You take a tape measure and slip it around your waist, right about where the belly button is. Now, without looking down, you take the measurement and then hold it away so you can see what that measurement is. If you look down at the measurement, you're more likely to be sucking in too much and the waist measurement won't be accurate. For men, we'd like you below 90 centimetres and definitely less than 120 centimetres. For women, it's a challenge, particularly after having children, but we need you less than 80 centimetres, definitely less than 88 centimetres. There's some really interesting research looking at waist circumference and your height. And we know that we can all be a little bit healthier if we keep our waist measurement to less than half what our height is.